Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. The combination of having two phone lines so I could have my Note 20 back as a personal phone and camera instead of a home internet, plus the new lighting to fix some battery charging problems, caused me to find a water leak and a hornet's nest. Enjoy. Well, I decided to shoot a new outro for my videos with the lights changing colors and stuff instead of doing it post-production, in the editor. And I moved a few things around, and I want to add the fish and get rid of the old beer box I had here that was just a piece of garbage, wasn't meaning anything important. But look at this. When I was pulling that down, I noticed this is dripping. It looks like I self-created this problem, or it's been just started or something. But anyway, trying to figure out where the water's coming from at this point. So I started peeling all this back. Look at the hornet nest. But you know something else I noticed? They've been eating the plastic up, probably to help make that nest. So I have this little pipe going in there for evacuation, and this is what's wet, and it's dripping off of this. But I don't see anywhere. Oh, there it is, right there. So that means that seal up there is probably leaking. So I'm gonna go take care of that just as soon as it stops raining and dries up outside. But time to replace that anyway with a new one. I'll get one of those on order. And actually, I really need to just patch that up, because that right there really needs to go over there, over the stove. Isn't that right, J&K? Anyways, I got sick of my lights running off of the 12 volt circuit shared with all the power adapters to all the charger and charging up all my devices and everything. It starts flickering and flashing depending on how many things are hooked up and what state of charges they're in. Kind of got sick of the light show and I didn't want it, so I finally grabbed the actual AC transformer that came with it, which is 5 amps. A little overkill, so I'm probably going to use that on my keyboard if I can find a 2 amp one to run over here. But anyway, this 5 amp power supply, boy, brightens these up, makes it nice solid. Like I said, it got me all motivated to do all this stuff. Crazy how my sense of motivation works. So anyway, now I got something else to work on. Oh, another point I want to make, those, hornet nest right there, right above my head the whole time last year, I'm assuming, because that's when I set this up, was shortly after I first moved in, I think, or I don't know. There's no telling, but it's pretty obvious, that they'd be getting in there. I've already, the vents on the furnace. I've getting ready to order some screen caps for that, and same with the hot water heater. It's going to get some screen vent covers for that too, to just guarantee that the hornets don't get up in here anywhere. Yep, there it is. Alright, I got to do something about that right now. And now I can actually see why I didn't know about it. It's dripping in here and just dripping whoop, right there, and eventually going to where either the ground, but probably collecting somewhere it shouldn't, especially since I made all those repairs down there. And when I disturbed this, it re-channeled it down where I could notice it leaking. So that's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. All right, time to catch the drips and move on. There we go. I remember telling myself a while back, Joshua, don't throw those things away. Hold on to stuff like that. Then I also remember telling myself, well, don't be a hoarder. Why are you holding on to all kinds of little things like that? Well, this is why. I went and looked for a few different things, and everything was either too tall or too wide. And then I saw that little thing, and I said, oh, as long as I make sure I check on it once in a while it's raining, that's perfect. Sorry for the little over-emoting there, but anyways, yeah, like I said, when I reinstall this over there with the new one for the stove, it's going to get set up a little differently. I'm definitely going to leave the little smoker's exhaust portal there to protect the parrots, but I'll definitely put some insulation and close it up a lot better. Or maybe not. Should I put a fan on that, make that an exhaust portal as well right over my head, or have it blow in on me? That's actually an idea. Maybe I should just leave that the way it is, put a fan and have it blow down on me with a little switch or something right there. I can lean over and turn it on and off and put a little canopy over it, so I don't have to worry about the seals on it like I do with all the windows on and openings on this thing. And that way it'll shade it so the air coming in from that will be cool. That's sounding like a great idea. Alright. Hi Jay, hi Kay. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head and went to bed and didn't wake up in the morning. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you care to. And don't forget, I hope you like this video as much as I enjoy life enough to make it so far. Have a nice day.